Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you my Infernoble Azamina deck for July of 2025, and this is going to be an OCG deck. You will see some cards that exist in the OCG and not in the TCG. So without further ado, let's get started. First, I ran 2 copies of Infernoble Knight Ogier, then 1 copy of Magus, 1 of Turpin, 1 Oliver, 1 Ricciardetto, and 1 Renaud. Then I run 1 copy of Fireplint Lady, 2 copies of Battling Boxer Uppercutter, 1 Spotter, 1 Immortal Phoenix Gearfried, then 1 Diabel the Black Witch. Okay, let's move on to the spells. I run 2 copies of Noble Arms Museum, 2 copies of Heritage of the Chalice, 2 Durandal, 1 Angelic Ring, 1 Almaze, and 1 Phoenix Gearblade. Then moving on to the Azamina cards. I ran 3 Deceptions, 1 Hollowed, 1 OSS, and 1 Seeker. Then for the hand traps, I ran 3 Ash, 2 Maxis, 2 Nubirus, 3 Infirms, and 2 Callby. You can change the Nibiru if you like. If you want my advice, you could go with Droll and Lockbird. And then for the extra deck, I ran 1 Imperial Emperor Charles, sorry, 1 Captain Oliver, 1 Angelica. Then for the 2 Link Charles, one yeah, I forgot this card's name. What's it again? Code Break by the Swordsman. Sorry. 1 Isolde, 1 Hita, 1 IP, 1 Prom Princess, 1 King Dempsey, 1 Babushka, 1 Risilago, and 1 Silva. So that's it, guys. That's my Infernoble Azabina deck profile. So if you just comment down below if you want to see a gameplay, how does the deck runs, what are the combos, and anything else. Okay, bye. Thank you.